Hi, who is here? So right now I'm at the airport. As you can see I am at the airport here waiting for my flight, and guess what? The flight to Toronto has been delayed. So I'm waiting for my flight, and this is beautiful. I can see planes landing and taking off from this window. See, so beautiful. It's getting dark now, but I hope you can see what I'm seeing. So I'll keep you guys updated as soon as I hear about my flight. So see you soon. Hello, Louis here. So I have a funny story. Remember yesterday I was at the airport at Reagan National, and I told you guys that I was going to um, travel, but the plane was delayed. So what happened yesterday, it was quite an adventure, I'll tell you. So but in the meantime, let me show you around. Okay, this is the hotel room that I finally was able to get after 4 or 5 long hours of struggles. So Air Canada was supposed to find us hotels because the flight was delayed. The first flight to um, Toronto was delayed, and so as a result we missed the second flight for Europe. So what happened was that the airline didn't give us vouchers to get hotels. They were overwhelmed, so many delays, so many airplanes were delayed, and so many people were delayed, so they couldn't handle it. So we were left on our own. They just came and said, hey, you guys can just go and find hotels, and then you can submit the invoice later for reimbursement. But guess what? There was no hotel rooms available in the whole Toronto area, the whole airport area. No hotels were available. They knew it. So I took a cab to a hotel. I thought I would just go and get a room in a hotel like I do everywhere. It didn't happen. They were sold out. So the gentleman said, okay, I'll call you a cab, but first you need to find another hotel. Then my data wasn't working. I couldn't find any hotels. So I called Uber. Finally, I used their Wi-Fi to call Uber, and the Uber guy came. He saved my life. That Indian young man came and took me in his car, took me on the way to the airport. He stopped he stopped and looked for hotels for me. So finally, after over an hour, we were able to locate a hotel. Guess what? 45 kilometers from the airport. So we went there. He helped me, and I finally got a room. I got in my room at 3:30 a.m. Our plane landed in Toronto at 11:30. I got in my hotel room at 3:30 a.m. I couldn't sleep. Finally, I slept for an hour or two. Then I had to get up. So that's why I'm calling this video Abandoned in Toronto, because that's how the airlines treated us. Not just me, a lot of us, you know. So I wasn't able to do any vlogging today. I thought I'll go around the city and vlog. It didn't happen because I was on the phone with T-Mobile to get my data. Without the data, I can't call Uber anywhere. So, you know, once I'm out of Wi-Fi zone, I don't have internet connection. So I was on the phone for hours and hours with T-Mobile. So finally we got a result. So that's the adventure of the day. It was a rough day, but you know, finally we got everything resolved. So I'm going to fly out today from Toronto, and I'll keep you updated. In fact, on my way to the airport, I will make sure that I show you around. I'll tell the driver that I'm going to, you know, do some vlogging, so I'll show you the area. Toronto is a very, very big city. It's like New York. It doesn't sleep. Last night at 2:33, there were a lot of cars on the road, you know, a lot of people out. It doesn't sleep. It's like New York, very vibrant, very business oriented city. So I'll show you a little bit of Toronto. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go and do it, but on my way to the airport, I will show you some of the area. It's a beautiful city, really beautiful. But my hotel is like 45 kilometers away. It's called Oakville. It's near the lake. So I'll see you soon. Okay, so I just made it to the airport. This is the airport, Toronto International Airport. Okay, see you inside.